Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lana Del Rey's hair on Dress to Impress. So I use this in this color right here, this one, and then I position it at 0.51, and rotation at Y.43, Z.54, and scale it to 0.52. Then I use this these really big hair, this really big hair. I selected this color once again for everything and then position it at x.51, y at 0.47, and z at 0.61. Rotate it at x.54, z.40, y at 0.40, and z at 0.48, and scale it to 0.53. And this one I did toggle bangs only, and then same color, position all at 0.48. Rotation at x.53, y.54, z at 0.64, and scaled it to 0.6, and that is how you can recreate Lana Del Rey's hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!